सिर्फ एक गांव नहीं है, ये एक इमोशन है यार। और इस बार फुलेरा गांव में ये क्वेश्चन है कि इलेक्शंस कौन जीतेगा। पंचायत सीजन 4 is finally out and we have been waiting patiently since that last cliffhanger. Now, is the new season worth the hype? Let's see. Now let's start with the premise. सीजन 4 वहीं से स्टार्ट होता है जहाँ पर सीजन 3 एंड हुआ था। तो अगर आपको याद होगा, there was a big cliffhanger जहाँ पर हमें डिकोड करना था कि गोली प्रधान जी को मारी किसने है। Now मैं आपको अभी नहीं बता दूंगी because then what's the point of you watching the season, right? तो एपिसोड्स में काफी स्पेकुलेशंस भी होते हैं, but does the suspense really end? For that you have to wait and watch. तो प्लॉट की बात करेंगे। So the main story revolves around the upcoming पंचायत elections and the top contenders are मंजू देवी and क्रांति देवी। तो इलेक्शन में पूरा विलेज डिवाइड हो जाता है and both the parties kick start their campaigning with full on josh. And in between all of this chaos, पंचायत still holds on to its emotional core. अपने subtle humor के साथ, emotional highs के साथ and social commentary के साथ. Even this season, I think was pretty good. Now that being said, this time politics takes a front seat. And all that trusting humor that we all were obsessed with and was kind of the charm of the show, that takes a backseat. Now let's talk about the performances. Jitendra Kumar, aka हमारे सचिव जी, were spectacular as always. The relatability this guy brings to the character is just chef's kiss. His role was wholesome, but this time I felt his character was a little underutilized. Now, if we talk about Neena Gupta, she fits perfectly in her character again. Her scenes with Kranti Devi were literally the star of the show. Pradhan ji की comic timing, उनकी body language was again on point. But to be honest, there was more potential to explore some characters. अगर हम रिंकी और सचिव जी की बात कर ले, तो उन दोनों का जो डायनेमिक है, वो इस पर्टिकुलर सीजन में इतना एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया गया। Their characters could have had more depth. But my favorite has to be Durgesh Kumar as Bhushan. He brings that masala to the show. He's the bad guy that you kind of end up rooting for. Now, if I compare this season to earlier seasons, the humor is a little lacking. Now, it's not absent, but it could be a little disappointing if you're expecting some laugh out loud moments like earlier seasons. Relatability factor कम हो जाता है, while the drama and emotion takes over. तो अगर मैं स्क्रीन प्ले की बात करूँ तो वो थोड़ा सा स्लो है. Even the episodes are draggy and it feels like they're trying to build it up for the season 5. और season 4 को खुद का closure नहीं मिला. Now let's come to the point. क्या आपको ये season देखना चाहिए? Is it worth a watch? Despite flaws it had, I would still recommend you to watch this season if you love the charm, the warmth, and also the usual style of storytelling that TVF has. So I will give this season 3 stars. It's heartfelt, it's humorous, but it's a little heavier than before, so go prepared. Watch it slowly, soak it in, and yes, be ready for the cliffhanger because there's gonna be a season 5. So this is Sukmanjeet for Binge It signing off.